here, welcome. Hey girl, hey, this is Boss Vision. And I make videos about making candles and how to earn money making candles. If you're interested in that sort of content, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. I also have an interactive workbook that will give you actionable steps with specific links to receive business funding and take your candle sales to the next level. I sell my own products on my website, senseofvision.com. You can use code YouTube for 20% off. And I'm so excited to have you. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you all how I make my vision board 3 weeks into 2023. Yes, we are so late to the party. So definitely stay tuned for the video. If you all like videos like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on anything else that I post. All right, let's just jump right into it. So here's everything you're gonna need to create your board. If you haven't made one already, I encourage you to do so and do it with these tools here, and comment below if you do this. I really would love to know if you guys actually create your board this way. I purchased these poster boards from Walmart. I got so many different colors. I accidentally wasn't able to get just white, so we're just gonna do silver. I love silvers and golds and stuff, and I think this looks good, but the dimensions of it are 29.2 centimeters by 35.6 centimeters, which is like 11.5 inches by 14 inches. I'm using this here, and we'll be using photo paper printed from this mini photo printer. Creating a vision board can be so challenging, you know, with finding the right pictures in random magazines. You can find yourself cutting out photos just because they look nice instead of it being what you actually desire. I decided to go with this mini photo printer because it prints the perfect size photos for a vision board, and each photo has an adhesive sticker behind it. I found out that this printer was on Amazon from IDPRT and has been so fun to use. All you have to do is download the Hey Photo app on your iPhone or your Android, and then connect your printer to the Bluetooth on your device. From there, you can go through your phone photo library and choose whatever pictures you want to print. The best thing that I love about this printer is that it uses zinc technology to provide a high quality print that looks just like the image in your phone. This printer will be great if you had any photos of you and your friends or family that you took with your phone and you wanted them printed. It's so convenient to simply print directly from your phone instead of waiting so many days at, you know, like a pharmacy photo booth for your photos to come in. Okay, so I printed roughly 40 pictures using this mini photo printer. So I found the dimensions of the paper, and then I made custom sized pictures with canva.com. The best part about Canva is that you can actually type in an emotion on their photos tab and a whole bunch of pictures. After printing all the photos, I organized them in sections along with some magazine quotes or just some words that resonated with me. I found these in my FabFitFun magazines. Confidence, workout, all of these cute little quotes like best skin ever. And I was just organizing the photos here into sections, so you can see the top is like dancing, and then it moves into fitness, and then I like to move forward with my body inspo here. And then I found that workout magazine cutout, and I was trying to figure out better places to put everything, and it's just such an amazing experience. Honestly, I was smiling the whole time, just cheesing and organizing. Okay guys, here it is. I'm so excited. This took so long. This took like 3 weeks to be honest. Like just printing out all the pictures, finding magazine photos, and really just taking my time with thinking of what would make the most sense. Of course, when I started to record, my AC does that AC thing. It's so important for you to focus on your goals and be intentional about every day of your life so that you're not running on autopilot, because it's too often that you will get distracted by everyday tasks and you end up in a career you don't desire and you find yourself doing the same thing every day like a robot on autopilot. So having a vision board will do a shift and help you to break the matrix and get out of that mentality of just thinking that's all you deserve, because you do deserve more. So I definitely hope this video helped. If it did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you're going to get your IDPRT photo printer to create your own vision board. And if you do, definitely post to your Instagram and tag me. I'll definitely reshare it. I love to see all of you guys reposts and comments and thoughts about this process. And yeah, I just hope you all enjoy the rest of your day, your week, your next hour. Just live in your purpose and love life. Okay, bye.